Hey adventures, I wanted to get out, away from the house, get with nature a little bit. Found this nice little spot. So if you see the previous video, you'll see that this isn't the Chevy, and this isn't the Jeep that I just bought. And you're probably wondering, what's going on? And all I can say is, I don't understand either. What had happened was, hey adventures, well, here's my baby right here on a tow truck, flatbed tow truck, heading back to the dealer. Here we go. Well, there she goes. She's heading out. I can't believe it. Heading back to the dealer. My baby that I only had bought 48 hours ago. I have to say, this is probably one of my first ever bought a vehicle that I had to take it back to the dealer. No, I take that back, that they had to come and tow it. And there she goes. Hey adventures, this is Jerry from AdventurousJeriLynn. If this is your first time here, welcome. You're probably wondering why I'm in a red vehicle. Well, what had happened was I went and bought a car this week. Actually, a Jeep. Hashtag Jeep life. I was so excited, and then less than 48 hours, had a little hiccup. Maybe hiccup should be my new nickname. Well, if you look in the videos prior, you'll see that I had a 2015 Chevy Malibu that we're going from house to RV. We're going to use the car to chase Robert in the truck, in the trailer, and then I would chase them. So if we, God forbid, if we ever got stranded, we would have two vehicles instead of one when we're out here boondocking, camping, traveling, looking at just the beautiful scenery here in the United States, the national parks and the national forests and all that good stuff. Well, yesterday, within 24 hours of this video, well, 24 hours of after the purchase of the Jeep, my red engine light came on, which wasn't good. So we called the dealer, and they said that, you know, they'll take care of it. Well, fast forward until today. Today is 48 hours after the purchase of the Jeep. I was on my way to get the windows tinted. The rear windows are tinted. It's just the driver and the passenger side that I was going to get tinted on the Jeep. Well, not 2 minutes into my drive to the tint company to tint the windows, and then I get the little red light again that the car is, well, maybe I should turn this off so it's quieter, that the car's overheating. So we pulled over. So that's how my day went. So I called back the dealer. They said they want to make it right. So they came and got a tow truck, a flatbed tow truck, and put the Jeep and took it to the dealer. Because if I can't drive 2 minutes away from the house, I can't drive an hour and 10 minutes because I bought the vehicle in Ohio. Well, I live in Indiana. So I wasn't going to just keep pulling over every 5 or 2 minutes. And then they gave me this loaner car, this Ford here. And so, yeah, that's where we're at. So they're going to fix whatever's wrong with it. And then it was really weird. You know, when you test drive a car, the vehicle, you know, well, at least I do, because I've bought so many over the years. I trade up every year or two, as much as Robert allows me. So I went to put the radio off so I can roll down the windows and test drive, and you're listening for noises and stuff, and didn't think to turn after the drive to turn the radio back on and test a different station. It's a radio, it was playing, it was working. So I thought, well, I'll just move on and it'll be forward, like, okay, it's working, no problem. So the next thing I know, I get back and there's no, like, some buttons will work and some don't. So not only are they going to have this car, they are going to have, okay, let me back up. Not only are they going to fix the Jeep for why it's overheating, but they're going to put in a new radio. Because again, some buttons work, some don't. And then when I was driving home from Ohio, which is an hour and 11 minutes from the dealer to my house, I was trying to work with the cruise control, and the cruise control wasn't working. Now, I waited 45 minutes in the drive. I've tried different ways. Now, I've had many vehicles, so I pretty much know how to start and stop cruise control. Nothing. It just was like nothing. So they're also going to fix the cruise control. Now, you're probably wondering, like, Robert, what did you just do? Well, if they're going to honor it, and you don't think things like this is going to happen. So as long as they fix it, I'll have a new radio. They've already put in a water pump, a thermostat. There's 4 new brakes, all 4 tires. There's 4 new rotors. They did a whole bunch of stuff. And so as long as they honor and fix it, then I'm okay with that. So house to RV, yes, we're still in pending stage. Car to Jeep, pending stage. I can't make this shit up. Sorry. Excuse my friend. I can't make this up. I mean, I can't. Robert is so hot right now at me. I'm like in the doghouse. Like, if the doghouse was out here in the trees and the grass, I'm in the doghouse. But he talked to the salesman, and he's just fix it, because we're not out of the house yet. So as long as it's up to par and is working fine, I'm not faulting them. They don't know. You buy cars, you sell cars, you go through a 100-point inspection or whatever, how many point inspection, and you think before you put it on the lot that it's sound. I don't feel like I'm being taken for a ride. They're saying that they'll fix everything, so I'm okay with that. Well, I will keep you posted, because this video right here, oh, by the way, hit that like button. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone about AdventurousJeriLynn. We are going to get on the road. We are going to go from house to RV. We are going to have a chase vehicle soon. So just keep watching. Love you, family. Thank you. Pray for me and Robert. And maybe the next video I was going to do like a little montage of the Jeep. It's a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4. It's a beautiful vehicle. I'll show pictures at the end of the video. So you guys take care. We'll see you out on the open road. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.